Dear students, welcome to all in my lecture. We will study today free energy change of a reaction. We know that in any reactions, either chemical or biochemical reactions, reactant is converted into products, and this conversion of reactant into products depend upon the free energy change, which is also called Gibbs free energy change of a reaction. If Gibbs free energy change of a reaction is negative, the reaction will go in forward direction, and if delta G is equal to 0, that is Gibbs free energy is equal to 0, the reaction will be in equilibrium. And if delta G is less than is positive, then the reaction will go in backward direction. So these are three conditions in which occurs in a chemical or biochemical reaction. Since we are generally discussing the bioenergetics, that is free energy change in biochemical reactions, and in this system it is necessary to determine the free energy change of a reactions. The free energy change of a reactions both for chemical and biological system can be determined thermodynamically, and for this the equation can be written as A is a reactant which is converted into B, and the reaction is reversible. The expression for determination of free energy change of a reaction can be obtained as delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln B by A, where delta G free energy change or Gibbs free energy change of a reaction, delta G naught a standard free energy change, R is universal gas constant, T is temperature in degree Kelvin, A and B, which is written in large bracket, is molar concentration of reactant and product, and K equilibrium, ये equilibrium constant which is the ratio of molar concentration of product and molar concentration of reactant. Ln is Napier logarithm which is converted into base 10, and the reaction simplifies as delta G naught बराबर -2363 log 10 base K equilibrium. This reaction for A in which A converts into B, for this reaction free energy change can be calculated by the equation delta G naught बराबर delta G naught is equal to -2363 log 10 K equilibrium, and this equation is highly useful to determine free energy change for a specific reaction. If equilibrium constant is extremely large or small, these methods of measuring free energy change is of little importance, because equilibrium concentration of reactants and products will be too small to measure delta G naught for each series of equilibrium constant changing from 0.001 to 10 to power 3. It means the concentration should not be very small or very large, because in this case equilibrium constant will be extremely large or small, and this method of measuring free energy change is of little importance because equilibrium concentration of reactant and product will be too small to measure. If K equilibrium greater than 1, then delta G negative. If K equilibrium 1000 and molar concentration of B by molar concentration of A बराबर 1000, tendency for the reaction to produce in the direction of formation of B. It means if delta G naught बराबर negative, then it will be greater tendency to form B, that is product. If molar concentration of reactant and product is equal to unity, in this case delta G बराबर delta G naught, because both concentration of reactant and product is equal to unity, and in case log 1 is equal to 0. Therefore delta G is equal to delta G naught. If delta G naught is change in free energy when the reactants and products are present in unit concentration or more broadly in their standard state, therefore in the presence of enzyme photoglucomutase, glucose 1-phosphate is converted into glucose 6-phosphate. Means if a biochemical reaction is performed in presence of enzyme phosphoglucomutase, glucose 1 is converted into glucose 6-phosphate, and the reaction can be written as here glucose 1-phosphate means phosphate group is on position 1. In presence of enzyme it is converted into 6 position. It means glucose 6-phosphate is formed, or here a phosphorus oxygen bond is broken and a new phosphorus oxygen bond is formed at position 6. So it is glucose 6-phosphate, and this conversion depends upon the concentration of reactants and enzyme taken in the reaction. Therefore if we start with 0.02 m concentration of glucose 1-phosphate at 25 degrees C, it has been observed that concentration of compound decreases to 0.001 m while concentration of glucose 6-phosphate increases to 0.019 molar. Hence K equilibrium of the reaction is 0.190 by 0.001, that is 90. In this situation standard free energy change of the reaction can be calculated by putting the value of equilibrium constant in the equation delta G naught बराबर RT ln K equilibrium, and we have already calculated the general equation for the calculation of standard free energy of a reaction. Therefore putting the value of equilibrium constant, we get the value minus 1.745 kilocalorie. And delta G here for this reaction is independent of pH, since acid is neither produced nor used in this reaction. So, and therefore the amount of free energy decreases, and this value is minus 1.75 kilocalorie will occur when 1 mole of glucose 1-phosphate is converted into 1 mole of glucose 6-phosphate. Under such condition, that concentration of each component is maintained at 1 molar, and in this situation quite different from experimental situation. It was found that the condition of steady state equilibrium exists in many biological systems, and it requires that thermodynamics be applied to the steady state condition rather than the equilibrium condition, for which thermodynamics was developed. It means that a principle of thermodynamics be applied in steady state rather than equilibrium condition, and therefore in this situation standard free energy change of a biological system can be calculated. Therefore thermodynamics condition applying to homogeneous system, whereas metabolism occurs in the heterogeneous system having more than one phase. Therefore it can be calculated that the standard free energy change can be calculated by applying principles of thermodynamics in biochemical reactions also, as we have seen and calculated the free energy change in the conversion of glucose 1-phosphate to glucose 6-phosphate by using enzyme. And on this basis, in different biochemical reactions, a standard free energy change of biological reaction can be calculated on this basis. Thank you very much.